Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show that how to download GTA San Andreas, Minecraft, etc for free. So first you need to tap Google or Chrome and in search part search AC Market. From that app you can download free games for fun. Let me show you. So acmarket.org is the correct link. So if you tap on that, it will show you two options: download for Android, download for iPhone. If you are using iPhone, you can download AC Market. You can download only two app, which is premium app. You should pay $6 monthly for GTA San Andreas or all this stuff for free. If you click download for Android, it will show two links. You should tap on link 1. Then only you can download free games. Then it will start download and you can install that. I already have that. I already have AC Market. When you open AC Market, it will show you to update the AC Market. Wait a second, let it open. See, for fun, there are so many games. Play games, then you can see Minecraft, GTA San Andreas, Vice City, Human Fall Flat. Like this, all games you can play for free. Even mod, you can download mods for free. Mod means you can hack games. Okay guys, let me show you that the GTA San Andreas and the Minecraft in next video and how it's functioning. Bye bye guys.